Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to screen record on Mac. So there are two ways to screen record. One is the simple one which you can use by pressing the keyboard, the Command Shift and 5, which will open this screen where you can just select a different option here. So let me just drag. So here you can see there are different options. So one is the screen capture, which is just the screenshotting feature, and this is the screen recording feature. So right now there are three options here in the screen recording, which is entire screen or the selected window or the portion of the screen. So right now the portion of the screen is selected. I can just drag and drop and all those stuff. So this will select the portion. Now there are certain options here which you can configure, like where you want to save the output, have a timer for start recording. If you want to remember the last selection, like currently this space is selected, so every time I press on this record button, it will automatically start recording this particular selected space. So there is a microphone which is currently running, so I'm using the external microphone now, so I cannot select the microphone. I think it might conflict, so I'm just selecting the microphone as none for now. But if you have any microphone, then you can select here. To that, here you have the option to show mouse clicks, which means every time I right click or left click, it will give a ripple effect here. And also there is a format which you can select, so I have selected the SDR, which is most compatible. So once all these options is selected, you can simply go and click on the record button and it will start recording the screen that has been selected. Countdown timer has started. So let me just right click here. Once I will left click, right click, left click, left click, right click. Okay. So if I want to stop the recording, what I can do is in the screen here at the top, I can click on this radio button kind of a thing, which will automatically stop me. Just click on this stop button and you can see the recording has been created. So it is in .mov file. So let me just preview it. You can see the clicks I have made here. So yes, you can see the clicks here, the right click, left click and all the stuff. This is how you can record the screen. So this is the easiest way using the keyboard shortcut, which is Command Shift 5. Similarly, you can also use a QuickTime Player here. So just open the QuickTime Player. Let me go to Spotlight Search and search for QuickTime Player. Once it is open, you can see the QuickTime Player is open here. Go to the file, and in the file you have this new screen recording. So what you can do is you can select that and it will open the same recording toolbar which was earlier. So actually both use the same inbuilt recording feature. So similarly, you can also configure the same thing because it's already configured. You can just go and set up some changes, make some changes here, like if you want to use anything, and then once it is done, you can just hit on the record button and it will automatically start recording. Countdown has completed. Now let me just go and stop, and you can see the another recording has been created. So in this way you can record the screen on macOS. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.